Hello class 7. Today I am explaining your chapter number 3, computer virus. As we know that when a person is sick, he or she shows some unusual symptoms. She does not feel fit enough to go back to her routine work. Similarly, a computer also falls sick. During this period, a computer shows unusual symptoms or behavior. True, computers do not suffer from cough and cold or seasonal fever, but the strange behavior indicates that the system is infected by a virus. These viruses are not biological in nature, but they affect the software of a computer system. In other words, a computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user's computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious actions. Malicious means unusual actions. It can self-replicate. Self-replicate means these viruses multiplied by themselves and they are increasing in numbers, inserting itself onto other programs or files, infecting them in the process. Not all computer viruses are destructive through. In more technical terms, a computer virus is a type of malicious code or program written to alter the way a computer operates and is designed to spread from one computer to another. A virus operates by inserting or attaching itself to a legitimate program or document that supports macros in order to execute its code. So, we can say a virus is a computer program which runs on any computer system without the user's knowledge. Once it is loaded in a computer system, it starts damaging the system automatically. As a result, the system may come to a halt or even crash. Why? Next is, why do people create and spread viruses? One cannot understand the logic behind people's addiction to create and spread viruses. It might be merely for experimentations, testing their programming skills, or to check how the virus spreads. There are some reasons that might explain why people write and spread viruses. First is to take control of a computer and use it for specific tasks. That people want that they will control the computers and they will do their specific task to generate money. They want to earn money so that they make viruses, computer viruses, to steal sensitive information. Nowadays, their credit card numbers, password, personal details, data, etc. They are stealing and then they taking their money from the banks. To prove a point, to prove it can be done, to prove one's skill or for revenge purposes. Means they want to prove themselves that they are very intelligent. They want to see their skills. And some people are doing for revenge purposes also. They want to take revenge. To cripple a computer or network. They want to disturb the computer and networks so that they make the viruses. This is the way they fight with the authorities. They want to revenge to engage the antivirus vendors in job. They think it is a way of getting attention from their peers. They want to take, that everybody will take care, and they want that everybody know about them, how they can create the virus, and now they will create the antivirus for this remove the virus. Now some common sources of computer virus infection. This is, a virus never raises an alarm before getting into the system. Thus, the user has to be alert while working with the system or browsing unwanted websites through the internet. The user should be aware of the various sources by which viruses may enter into a computer system. Now some sources are there. Downloading programs. Programs that contain the downloadable files are the commonest source of malware, such as freeware, worms, and other executable files. So take care about the downloading programs or downloading any files or downloading any games, because that contain viruses. Pirated or cracked software. Yes, this is a main reason. When we are using pirated or cracked software, they will also create the virus in our system. Email attachments. Some unknown emails are there and we are opening that, and some email are related to any prize, and we are open that to get some money, and this is the virus created email. Internet. When we are downloading anything, we are opening any email through the internet, that will also create the virus in our computer system. Booting data from unknown CDs. Yes, this is also a virus creating. We cannot booting our systems by unknown CDs. Bluetooth is also a cause to infect our system from the virus. Unpatched software. Unpatched software means the software which we have not purchased and we don't know about that software, but we are seeing that they are related to games, they are related to any money providing, so that we have installed that software in our system. This is also the source of computer virus infections. Now, symptoms of virus attacks. These are the symptoms of virus attacks. If your system is affected by a virus, you may notice one or more of these symptoms. First is, your computer slows down. Means one of the most common computer virus symptom is slow down. Means our computer speed will be slow. You can know that your computer has been affected by malware if your operating system, computer applications and internet speed begin to slow down. This is the indication that our computer infected by the virus. If you note such a tendency and you are not running heavy application or program, there may be cause for alarm. This is the alarm that your computer infected by the virus. Number 2 is crashing. If your system crash suddenly appears, or the infamous blue screen of death, BSOD, appears more often, then it is obvious that your computer is not operating normally and you should check it. Means if our computer crashed and a blue screen will come, it is not functioning, this is the indication that our computer getting virus. Number 3, pop-ups. Pop-up means one of the most annoying computer virus symptom. It is characterized by unwanted pop-ups. If these unexpected pop-ups appear on your screen, you know that your computer has probably been affected by spyware, virus, malware. all are the name of virus. Means pop-up means they are opening unwanted applications. Unexpected pop-ups appear on the computer screen. Fourth, hard drive malfunctions. In case you have discovered that your hard disk is exhibiting unusually high activity even when you are not using it, you are not doing any work on the hard disk and you are not doing, consider checking for malware. However, hard disk malfunctions can also be caused by hardware failure. 5 is running out of storage space. Means computer virus symptoms can be triggered by numerous malicious software through different methods to fill your storage space and may eventually cause it to crash. It means your storage space out of memory, your storage space full. It indication that computer virus are multiplied by themselves and they have made many files which are used to your storage space to store that virus files. 6. Unwanted programs or messages that starts automatically. Some of the warning signs that you should be suspicious about include. These signs are Windows shutting down suddenly without reasons. Means Windows automatically shutting down. We have not shut down, but it has automatically shut down. Programs opening or closing automatically. We are doing some work on computer, but our programs closing automatically or then opening automatically. This is also by doing by the virus. Strange windows as you boot. Which windows we are using, that window is not appearing, another windows are appearing. This is also the reason. Message from Windows that you lost access to your drive. This type of message will also come. That is also the indication that our computer getting virus. Disable security solutions. In case your antivirus does not seem to work or if your update module all of a sudden is disabled, make sure that you check what has happened as soon as possible. There are some types of malware that are built to disable computer security solutions and leave your machines defensible. Means virus disable your security and so confirm that your security is working properly or not. Number 8, sending strange messages automatically. The first step is to confirm whether the messages were sent from your account. If you discover that you were not the sender, then the message were sent by an uncontrollable application. This is also the indications because you are not sending that messages, but the messages are sending by the strange person. That strange person is the virus which are sending that message automatically. Number 9, unusual network activities. Sometimes you may not be connected to the internet and you are not running any application that can connect themselves to the internet, but you still observe high network activity. Such computer virus symptoms can be confirmed by using a good antivirus. Unusual network activity means we are not connected by the internet, but internet are running and applications are opening by themselves. This is the indications that our computer has virus. Applications. If you have tried to start application from the start menu or desktop of your computer and nothing happens, then your computer may be infected. Then error messages. Your computer will know when some things is wrong even before you do. One of the noticeable computer virus symptoms includes messages that warn you of missing files. This is the error message. If this type of error messages are coming, this is the indications that computer infected by the virus. Advertisements. This is also the cause of virus. Ads are common when browsing. However, when you see them when not browsing, this could be a sign of virus. When we are surfing on net, we have seen many ads are there. Some are related to the virus, so that care for that ads. Hardware and accessories problems. In case you have problems with your computer display, for instance color problem or mixing pixels are there, this can be an indication of malware in your computer. Sometimes network printers also malfunctions if they become infected. Sent emails. Viruses can be spread via emails. Therefore, if you note that there are emails in your outbox that you never sent, or you receive suspicious emails from a friend, they may be infected. 15th is computer malfunctions. Computer viruses can cause your computer to do all kinds of strange things. When your computer starts to open files on its own, or acts like keys have been clicked, then you may be experiencing computer virus system. Means computer are doing many works which we are not to do, but they are doing automatically. That is known as the computer malfunctions. Affected applications. Some viruses are created to affect some applications, and as a result your computer may fail to run such applications until they are reinstalled. Blocked from antivirus site. If your computer has been infected by malicious viruses, your computer may be prevented from accessing antivirus sites. Viruses attack browser and may inhibit them from using the internet normally. So block that antivirus site, because these antivirus sites are also create the virus in your system. 18. Gibberish dialog boxes. If your computer opens up many dialog boxes on your screen all at once, this can be a sign of malware. Most of the dialog boxes show gibberish messages that are not easily decoded. This is also the indication to getting virus. Slow startup. If your computer suddenly experiences a slow startup, most likely it has become infected. There is the typical time your computer takes before it starts, and you can note that when your computer starts slower than usual. Means your computer startup speed will become slow. Now next is printer issues. If your printer seems to have a mind of its own and randomly prints out documents, you could possibly be dealing with a virus. Suppose we are giving we are giving command to print 1 or 2 pages, but we are seeing that they are coming so many pages, and which data we want to print, the data will not coming on the paper. So that this is the printer issues, and this is doing by the viruses. Today I explained you why computer virus, why do people create and spread viruses, sources of viruses, symptoms of a virus attack. In my next video I will explain you types of computer viruses and more things about the viruses. Hope you will do your work on time. Thank you.